Podcast ini diterjemahkan khas oleh The Fumes, minyak wangi perfume yang ada berkenaan dengan tempat-tempat di Singapura.
Lungsuri take.app/The Fumes ataupun link di TikTok dan IG Hypebanger. Hidup anda takkan busuk.
Selamat datang ke podcast Biar Betul. Saya Hypebanger.
Saya Haida.
Saya Dan.
Kita Wembert.
Wow.
Yes. Kepada korang-korang yang merindui Biar Betul, we are back.
Yes.
Dah berapa lama kita tak ada?
Mungkin almost a week.
Oh, ya ke?
5 hari.
5 hari? Tak ada lah.
Tengok macam mana bila release episode. Kau confident aku release besok je.
Tak jugalah. Kalau gitu 5 days. Oh, last week kau release
Release.
Kau main tipu. Ada orang komplain tu.
Oh, salah.
Kenapa Biar Betul 2 hari pergi?
Itu tipu. Tak ada episode pun. Apa aku nak release?
Patut korang berbual je.
Berbual
merindui kita ke? Kita ni sebenarnya just came back from our holidays lah.
Busy.
Busy.
Tak ada. Tak ada job coming.
Kau tak kasih aku heads up dulu yang kau busy. Yes, so jadi kita now we are back. Tapi satu anggota badan Biar Betul masih belum balik-balik lagi. Iaitu bawa play Biar Betul. Anggota badan apa? Maafkan aku lah. Touch belum balik lah. Touch masih holiday. Dia masih holiday.
Degil lah dia.
Dia kalau holiday kau tahulah, dia tak ada main naik bas. Dia tak ada main naik kereta api. Dia tak ada main naik kapal terbang. Dia tak ada main driving semua, tak ada.
Motor.
Dia main air.
Dia main air.
Dia main air, dia main boat. Dia kalau travel dia mesti naik boat. Ferry. Muar batu-pat. Dia main sailing. Dia main yacht.
Oh, yacht.
So yacht apa tak? Yacht. Kau panggil yacht. Aku panggil yacht.
Ada beza ke?
Jadi bila aku dah dapat tahu yang Touch ni suka yacht kan, aku pun teringat satu hamba Allah ni lah. Dia asas bukan asas. Dia BDSM untuk BDM. Salah. Dia BDM untuk this yacht company lah.
Yacht company. Apa nama yacht company?
Okay, dia nama tim bola. Tega.
Manchester United.
Oh, itu bagus sangat. Tak boleh. Itu top table. Diamlah. Okay, clue dia bukan EPL lah.
Bukan EPL. Barcelona.
Bukan. Nak dekat.
Oh, dah dekat.
Nak dekat.
Real Madrid.
Bukan
juga.
Engkau tak teka ke? Sevilla bukan.
Itu Serbia, lain country.
Yes. Kira-kan aku dah kasih clue. Dia La Liga lah, kira-kan.
Oh, dia La Liga. Atletico Madrid.
Salah. Bukan.
Girona.
Girona. Oh, Girona bukan. Salah. Kira aku dah lupa. Last. Kasih answer betul lah.
Kasih answer betul. Aku tahu answer dia.
Teka lah. Kasih betul nasib kan.
Dia start daripada V.
Yes.
Adakah ia Valencia Yacht Company?
Betul lah Syul.
Betul
lah. Jadi dengan tidak membuang masa, kita welcome Kai from Valencia.
Hi
guys. Thank you for everyone for welcome me. Terima kasih semua untuk bawa saya datang ke sini.
Our pleasure.
Tak payah nak formal sangat.
Ya.
Kita sebarang je.
Kalau kau dah berapa banyak kita interview, kita tak release. Pasal dia formal. The moment dia formal je, kita buka tu pintu, awak boleh keluar. Tak adalah. You can just be yourself, just be comfortable. Nak berbual apa, bual aja. Jadi sekarang kau apa yang kau nak tanya kita?
Okay, yacht.
Yacht company tau, I mean.
Yacht dalam bahasa Melayu apa?
Kapal
layar.
Kapal layar. Kapal layar.
tu kan sail lah.
Sailing.
Yang ada macam dia DV, dia pegang tu. It's a sports I think.
Yeah.
Where is it called?
Kapal layar.
Tu kapal layar kan? No, dalam bahasa orang putih.
Sailing.
Dia I think Olympic pun ada. I think dia sailing. It's just sailing.
Something sailing.
This one.
Dia pegang, dia DV, dia kena gini.
Sailing lah.
Dulu aku participate. Aku national.
Aku international.
Kau international lah? Aku main dekat sekolah ni, longkang-longkang je lah. Longkang. Musim hujan lah. Nyok. Biasa tau.
Nyok-nyok ni kau.
Nyok kat longkang.
Kau nyok kat longkang. Aku nyok kat tepi tangga je.
Jadi sekarang kita tak nak interview kau kan. Kita nak interview dia. Bila kau nyok ke tepi tangga, kau ada make video tak?
Oh, tak. Abang janji abang delete.
Okey lah, baiklah kita teruskan dengan Kai. Silakan, apa soalan kau nak tanya?
Industri yacht ni kan, ramai tak Melayu buat, I mean is in this industry?
Usually tak lah. But then the thing is, best juga like kebanyakan is usually company event. Then usually like most of them is like birthday party. Then restaurants come on board. Then after that,
Dekat sikit Kai.
then after
Ini
that which is like apa ni? Lagi like company event, birthday, personal use, farewell party. Yeah, more from there lah.
So anyone so far apa bangsa yang selalu book, or is it?
Usually Angmo and Mak Saleh dengan Cina kita lah.
Yeah.
So for Melayu kita not as much, but then usually for company event, usually they came on board. They was quite shocked that in Singapore there's this industry called yachting industry, which they can rent the boat lah.
How long this company in
in this
operation?
industry. Company operation.
So for Valencia, the first boat is Valencia. Okay, so it's a 51 footer catamaran. So it's been around for the past 10 years. So that's the first boat that the company started with.
Dah 10 tahun.
Wow, aku nak tanya kau soalan yang dari dulu aku nak tanya. Kenapa kapal dia orang namakan nama perempuan?
Wow, okay.
Like Phoebe lah, Stephanie lah,
Phoebe Buffet.
Lazy Susan lah, ni semua. Asal kena perempuan aja. Ini dah tak gender equality.
It's true lah, but then maybe the most of the buyers is actually guys. So usually when they as a guy when they buy the boat, usually they name after their kids lah. Like
Dia kids bukan skandal
Pasal diorang panggil kids sekarang.
Pasal selalu si
Tu term dia.
how many kids you have?
One only now.
So
you got 3.
kids betul lah, legit kids lah. So that means it's named after their daughter lah. Wow, okay. And so sekarang kan dulu ada hamba Allah, dia anak dia nama Titanic.
Oh yeah.
Kan mungkin lah.
Maybe lah.
Tak. So that means dah 10 years lah this.
Yeah.
And total sekarang ada berapa kapal? Start with satu kapal kan?
Start with one boat, then right after 1 year they bought another one more boat, so it's 2 boats, so it's Valencia and Victoria. Then after that, right after COVID, they bought 2 maximum. It's a 47 feet catamaran. It's good lah, can fit 40 packs. Then the last one they bought is the mega yachts.
Kau ada India pay boat pun Indian boat. Tu catamaran? Bukan Catamaran tak apa?
Kau tanya aku pun tak tahu.
Catamaran tak apa? Aku dah teringat macam nama I mean
aku ada kawan dulu Maran nama dia. Ila Maran.
Aku pun ada tau Kumaran. Tapi catamaran aku belum tahu. Apa tu catamaran?
Okay, so catamaran is technically so kalau single hull, okay, it's a boat. If a single hull, they call it single hull. Tapi kalau ada 2 hull, they call it catamaran. So
okay, hal tu apa? Kerana kita pun banyak hal juga. Aku bukan ada hal dengan dia ni.
hal boat ni bawahnya lekuk tu. Kan ada boat
this thing.
Yes.
That's hal.
Hal.
EPL pun ada hal
Ada Hull
City kan?
Relegated lah.
Yalah. Asal kau sedih sangat.
Sedih lah. Pasal dia tak ada katamaran.
Ya.
Dia tak ada hal.
Oh, jadi katamaran tu hal lah. Oh, okay.
So dua hal means tadi
Katamaran.
Katamaran.
Satu hal is single hal. Kalau dua hal mean katamaran.
Oh,
Asal kau kena gini bila katamaran?
kan lah, nampak?
Kau nak beri kita kan?
So that means so kau ada your company ada 2 katamaran.
Ada 4.
4 katamaran.
Weh.
Okey. Soalan. Ni game Tanya sini ni, kau jangan jawab. Dalam company Valencia sekarang ni ada berapa total katamaran ada?
Ada option tak?
Tak ada option. Kau step bodoh. Wrong answers only.
2 katamaran.
Salah. Total is 8. Because 2 times 4 8, betul tak? Ke aku yang salah?
Four.
Salah tu salah. Kata 2.
Kalau 8 aku dah botak rambut aku.
Satu.
Dua hal. Satu katamaran.
Alamak. Tembak lagi. Okey. Total 4 lah. Satu pun ada. Okay, let's
Change
move
question.
away from katamaran.
Okay. Kau nak tekan lagi muzik?
Dia apa?
Kau nak tanya soalan kan?
Dalam
Valencia.
10 years
Ui.
in this industry, boat yang paling murah berapa? Aku agak-agak aku nak beli juga ni.
Actually ada lah. I mean quite a few certain boat dia macam single hull boleh buat dalam macam 5-10 orang. About 150 200 can get second hand 10 years old.
$150 saja. Just tak bodoh lah. Actually not that bad lah sah.
But
Yeah.
as what
Dah macam harga kita.
But what I know right now, they could not take loan. So it's a bit.
Down payment berapa?
I'm not so sure about that. Usually dorang terus beli.
Oh, terus beli cash.
Apa down payment? Orang dah nak beli 2-3 tau.
Oh, dah beli 3? Banyak duit kau
Minyak tu satu hari berapa?
Minyak tak kira satu hari lah. So for us macam untuk kita for starter kan, when kita travel pergi Lazarus Island, so it only take about, you only top up 3 months once.
Oh, 3 months
3
once.
months once.
So which is one full tank
So
about
everyday trip to Lazarus, back and forth.
So about 3 months once kita punya boat usually about 2,000 liter.
Okay.
So the furthest is Lazarus ke apa?
Depends on the client lah. Kadang-kadang dorang nak pergi Batam boleh,
Oh,
nak
boleh?
pergi Bintan boleh. Tapi tak boleh 40 orang. Cuma boleh ikut the boat punya permit lah. So
Okay, ni aku tak faham. Kalau pergi Batam, means macam mana? Pasport kat sana chop ke apa ni?
tak, okay, so for custom kan, so ICE will come to the boat instead of kita pergi kat sana.
Wow.
Wow.
Style ke apa?
Kau tak pernah ni tak usah. Kau tak tahu.
Aku pakai submarine terus. Illegal.
Oh, illegal.
Aku jalan bawah. Apa kau tahu? Oh, I see. So pernah lah.
Pernah. So we this year kita pergi ke Nirup Island. It's a private island dekat Batam. The island tu kecil tapi girit because that place is by Westin.
Oh.
So there's no crowd yet. There's no one. So technically kalau you
Baru
with your family baru I think.
So Westin
1 year, 2 years.
own that island.
I don't know whether Westin own that island, but what I know is under Westin punya hotel.
Wow. Apa nama dia?
Nirup. And
Semua India semua Nirup
RIP.
lah. Katamaran, Nirup. Semua India dah conquer ni world.
Europe lah.
Oh, Europe
Kan dulu India Europe. Okay, so that means kalau ICA datang kat korang, you have to pay them lah.
Yes, was like clearance
PIC,
fee.
yeah.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
So they will come to the boat. Then let's say got 10 packs, right? Then they will see like, okay, Mister, then you can just sit down.
No, this is macam optional lah. You can also go to macam the custom to chop passport or something.
Usually what I know,
No, this
they
is
came to us. They come to us.
Oh.
Yeah, you go to their ICA area, which is dekat 115 Marina kat Sentosa. So kita park kat tepi, tunggu sampai custom datang, baru kita boleh jalan.
Is the normal procedure lah. Okay. For yacht lah.
Yep.
Okay.
So kau dah in Valencia for 10 years
7
years. But in the industry for 10 years. Ui. So what makes you change company? So better pay.
No lah, because more of my captain, because at that time I started as a crew only. So I watch the boat, I dive, all the shit thing I do lah.
Yes, tu cerita yang kita nak dengar juga. Because aku dengar that Saikang Warrior for boat rabak tau.
Nampak?
Okay.
Okay, macam mana tu? Kau boleh cerita.
Okay, so yeah, so cerita dia how I moved from this A company to B company, right? My captain told me that they can pay me much more better than there. Then it's easier, and the boat is so nicer, and the company is growing. So like okay lah, just move along lah.
But bila yang kau kena cuci boat, kena so called the hard work semua, you can so called take it lah, boleh tolerate dengan the job lah.
Yeah, because that time, because back then before that I was doing car sales kan. So from car sales, I lose a lot of my profit. Then after that I move over to yachting industry. And the same time, that time also I was getting married. So when I was getting married, I need to have a very strong CPF. And for crew, when they started this industry, they are paying about between 2.8 to 3.5.
Okay.
So I get that 3.5 lah, alhamdulillah, as a crew masuk. Then 20% of CPF dah 700. So if you want to buy a 5-room house ke, senang juga. Then
Ini
just do it.
bukan offshore kan?
Bukan
Bukan kan?
Ini just in Singapore je.
In Singapore je kan dia.
Yeah. So from there then just do it lah, because fikiran nak kahwin, nak beli rumah, so just grow the CPF lah. And then eventually slowly will get more rezeki lah.
Aku nak rewind sikit lah. Aku nak tahu a bit more about kau punya background lah. What kind of person you are. Because aku nak tahu macam mana kau menceburi bidang yacht ni in the first place. Kau orang laut ke? Macam mana kau suka diving ke? How do you come about with this?
Yeah, I heard from car sales into yacht kan?
Tadi kau cakap sales.
Is it just the pay?
It's not just the pay. It's I like the yachting industry because at the end of the day, because we do charter, it's not private boat. We just charter. So when our client charter our boat, it's all about their experience and fun journey. So like we will see their celebration, we will see like celebration and sadness also lah. So the saddest part was like macam cancer patient last wish to come on board.
Oh shit, aku baru nak tanya sadness macam mana boleh macam mana sadness boleh come into the picture of yachting punya industry. So that means ada cancer patient yang macam, is it like they want to YOLO ke apa like that? Macam
Bucket list lah, bucket list.
Mungkin kau start with sad music dulu. Nanti kita tanya dah.
Okay, silakan. So bila part yang sedih punya occasion, dah nangis tau. Dah nangis tau. Aku kat lagu ni sedih sangat. Okay, so how dia punya, is it like macam this so-called client of yours engage your company and then you confirm kau akan fikir it's like a celebration kind of thing, and then bila tu kau dapat tahu yang it's actually not, it's a cancer patient punya
Last wish
or bucket list or something like that.
So I would say that it's like 2 days before lah. So I get to know from my boss like, hey, it's a cancer patient. Huh, serious ah? Then they say like the family will be coming over, there's a nurse will be coming over. Then after that, my boss say like whatever she want, we give her lah. So like because usually like add-ons, like for example like jet ski, water slide, everything is add-ons. But for her right, her last wish is that right. I still remember her last wish lah.
Is it?
And the song.
Wow.
Yeah, so she came on board. Then after that, macam she's still very young. She's only like maybe 20 plus. But orang yang cancer usually orang tangan macam very soft. So when people come over to the boat right, kita kena jemput kan.
Okay.
So tak nak jatuh. So which is when we bring her to the boat, you can feel like lembut lah kau punya badan. Like
Semacam
very,
lembut semacam.
Brittle lah. Macam brittle lah kan. Macam
very soft.
soft.
Then after that I bring then the family came over, this balloon decoration and whatsoever. Then I do safety briefing. So because when client come on board, we have to do safety briefing as a captain or even as a crew to tell them that what's the do and don'ts. But on that day right, I don't know how to start. Like usually like, hey, hi guys, welcome on board to
Kau macam dah goyang lah.
gini, like have fun with them. But now it's like get to know is, hi guys, this is your final. I cannot say hi, it's your final, right.
The pitch and the tone has to be different.
Yeah. Then after that, she one thing I like about her right, she very positive. She's like, Ma, Dad, don't be sad, let's have fun together. Like, you know, like she do everything. She play the water mat, she play the canoe. I play for the stand up paddleboard. I taught her how to play that.
So how did she do, like macam apa ni?
Kita pakai rambut bedek lah.
Rambut bedek and very weak atau
Very weak.
very weak ah.
But we as a crew or even as a captain, in terms of to play the water sport, we have to be there for them, like for their safety, right? So which is whatever the games that they don't know how to play, we taught them lah how to play this lah. Yeah, so I just hope that was the last best wish lah.
At that point, like how many more? What was the period?
Time frame
time frame for?
They book like between 4 to 8. Yeah, so it's like 4 hours journey. So we say
No, I
from
think he meant like how long does she have left?
How long does she have
sorry.
left?
Yeah.
I think 3 more days or even 1 week around there.
Ooh.
Yeah. But I didn't ask that lah. But dia rampak. Yeah, even the mak bapak pun macam try to be happy but then cannot be happy.
Bila dah balik tu, kau pun dapat tahu news whether how she doing ataupun dia dah go ke? Do you ask ke apa?
I do want to ask but then
You know lah, you
Yeah.
guys know lah.
yeah. So we just wish her for the best lah.
Wow, interesting
Ni dia punya parents sponsor lah. the whole atau is it a foundation or something?
Maybe it's a foundation.
Foundation lah.
So throughout tu kau macam tak boleh like be yourself lah.
Tak
You
boleh.
are.
Nak lebih.
Kau ceritakan je pun dah affected. I think kau kat sana pun mesti dah goyang sah.
Yeah, I try my best to be the good crew or even captain for her lah. Yeah, but the most important thing that her last wish granted and we allowed to give her the best. Yeah.
Let's pivot from sad occasion lah.
Tu
What's
apa
the
wild.
What's
Dah
the
tahu kau
wild?
tak sabar nak pergi sana.
Yes,
Dia nak tahu what's the wildest occasion lah.
Ui,
LGBT
Alamak.
ui.
Yang perempuan ke lelaki?
semua jantan je.
Alamak. Dia kau suka ni. Serius ah? Itu
Ini cerita dia yang nak dengar.
how you cope?
Cope.
Tak. Kalau diorang dah gitu, dia pun boleh sebat sah.
Aku lagi badan kecil.
Ayo come join me. We need another hole. Macam mana?
Oh, so danger Alamak.
And I mean, I still remember they say this question. This girl say this before. Because the after the end of the charter, right? Yes. Ron, where you going? So I'm going for a dinner. Let's join us for a party. So like, Ron, anyway, are you straight? And say, yeah, I'm straight. Oh, you haven't tried gays yet, so you won't know.
Kan aku cakap
Once
ninja sah.
They are very straightforward, bro. Once they want you, they will grab your fucking ass, bro. I still remember I was driving the boat kan. Dia main macam cak-cak. Dia main cipit-cipit pantat.
Oh lomor. Habis macam mana kau cope sah tu?
Istighfar je lah. So like, I mean, check my blind spot like, hello, please no. But technically, I also can't do anything because the boat also sailing back already. If he do that at the start, then I can sail back. I can just cancel the charter. But now it's at the end part already. You want to sail back. I also have no choice.
Wow. Siul lah. Habis macam mana diorang buat hal semua kat alam. Au semua. Kau boleh dengar?
You ask us lah, can we
Come on John, come on.
Rasa John pula.
Habis nak lama apa?
Come on, Maren kau.
Come on. Dipa, jangan dipa.
Johnny Jonathan.
Alamak, kau tengok juga Oh, bagus
Klasik.
Klasik.
Sarukan kan style.
Tapi dia pun macam Hindustan juga. Macam kita bawa Hindustan.
Okay, so
Okay,
wild kan. Okay, kau explain to us apa yang wild sangat pasal this party ni.
Ya.
Selain diorang cuit-cuit pantat kau, apa lagi diorang buat tu?
Okay, other than that, yeah, got this satu ni juga. Dia bawa their own toys. Okay. They bring their own toys, not as in dildo what lah.
Wait, is it the same occasion ke lain occasion?
The same question.
Okay.
So they bring their floaties. It's a flamingo, pink color flamingo. I still remember. Okay. Then after that, my captain also got bring the jet ski. So technically, I told him already before you want to put these toys at the water, please use a rope to tie it so it won't flow away or even follow the current away. The thing flow away about maybe close to 50 meter already. Then say like, sorry Captain.
Dia nak sorry lagi dia apa cerita?
Dia ikut wave lah.
Dia dah badan dah besar. Lepas tu dia pakai tongs color pink.
Serius lah.
Oh, dia pakai tong semua.
Aku nak visualize that.
Kau nak visualize?
No, aku nak visualize. So I'm not getting into racism or what. I just want to visualize. What race are them? Their race Is it mix or
Mix.
Mix Mix of the local race.
Mix of the local race.
Wow.
I mean, the Angmo can say maybe, let's say out of 40, maybe Angmo only about 10.
Oi.
Okay.
But yeah lah, I mean, we don't understand them because at the end of the day they feel very stressed lah.
Angmo dengan local be races. Siapa be the man, siapa be the woman?
Kau tanya dia mana dia tahu.
Actually
Siapa tahu dia tahu lah.
Boleh nampak.
Nampak kan? Nampak.
Pasal dia cakap top atau bottom. So
ya.
usually ni my kakis lah, my board ni kakis lah. Kita mesti lancauin, kita mesti berbual like
Confirm lah.
siapa atas siapa bawah. Tengok je. But usually Cina lah.
Cina is
Dia bawa.
Dia punya melampau lagi teruk pada perempuan yang maintenance tinggi.
Lama.
Serius, dia dah mabuk. Minta tisu, minta toilet roll, minta ini, minta lapkan muka, towel, semua lah. So kita as a crew, kita layankan je lah.
So dorang okay with the sex toys and all that, dorang did everything kat apa jacuzzi semua dorang buat je. They can do it.
Because it's private kan.
It's private lah.
So that means
dah macam
keuntungan
technically
ataupun
macam hotel
kerugian kerja dia ni, dia dapat tengok private staff.
Oi.
Senang cakap, you book a room and dia dalam bilik tu.
Alamak.
Kau faham tak?
Faham.
Let's say kau dengan Dan buat kerja,
Oi.
dia kat dalam.
Alamak.
Jadi dia cakap kau top, Dan bottom. Dan macam Cina sikit.
Asal kau tak ada?
Aku company.
Dia ambil video,
Aku
dia yang
Film.
dia kan video orang.
Ya, aku video orang. Aku muntah-muntah tau aku. Ya, kita tak nak judge korang yang dengar, korang into all this pun, kita gurau aja. Jangan nak ambil hati sangat.
Yes.
Chill lah.
At the same time we are not promoting anything.
We are not promoting anything. We are just being open. We are just being fun. That's all. Okay.
The stories that we sharing lah.
Yes,
Something
yes,
experience. Okay. Any macam special request yang kau rasa ni apa ni dia ni? Benda ni pun the request ke? Is there any weird request that you have?
Weird request,
What's the weirdest request that you have gotten lah?
Wah.
Sekarang dah jadi norm Terus dah tak weird lagi.
It's a norm thing I think.
Weird is norm sekarang So initially bila kau baru-baru start, maybe the first few years, kau rasa pelik saya dah minta gini. Ada?
So I mean in terms of barbecuing, masak semua okay lah. There's no issue lah. Tapi kalau pasal at the end of the day, it's usually kita yang jadi dorang punya planner tau. Like
So korang plan it for them lah, not they, in other words, make such weird request like.
Okay,
I don't
contoh
know.
lah dia minta kau sorry, kita tak ada ni lah. Lepas tu belakang kau tengok ini minta benda yang kau bukan Seoul. Ada tak macam gitu?
so far tak lah.
Tak ada lah. So
Because right now I think most of Singaporeans and even the foreigners they quite respect with the boat industry. So like dorang tak macam bukan-bukan lah. Usually I mean the weird one also they will ask can I use the room? Tu je lah. But then you want to use the room please lah.
dalam satu occasion kau dengan colleague kau berapa banyak?
3
3. That's the minimum or maximum?
minimum lah.
Minimum
For the smaller boat lah. But then for the bigger boat like macam mega yacht, we have about 8, 12.
And you bawa kapal ni, mana kau belajar?
Bawa kapal main belajar from my captain lah. They taught me a lot lah.
It's local juga?
Local.
Oh, that means it's not a course.
It's a course.
It's a course lah. It's a certified way course lah.
Yes.
Okay.
So they call it PPCDL, Pleasure Craft.
So you have to have a cert lah.
Yes.
Apa aku tanya mesti ada kena ada lesen kan. So lesen dia ada macam driving way lesen ke gitu ke macam
Yes,
lain.
dia ada card dia.
Ada card dia.
Then also for diving also got card dia. Everything got the card lah.
Okay, let's switch from LGBT to straight.
Okay.
Wilder straight punya event lah ni. Ini kan tak
Dia
ada lagu.
Dia nak tahu.
I mean, to me I do a lot of yacht party lah.
Okay.
So I collaborate with most of the event organisers. So macam some of them they work with Maki, some of them work with Zouk. So what they do, when they charter the boat, right, they will bring DJs. They will bring the top DJs lah.
Their own lah.
They are their own DJs. Then after that, they also bring bartenders on board.
Nice.
Sometimes also they bring bottle girls.
Oi.
Yeah.
So which is everything is included lah.
Dia selalu mega yacht lah.
Both boat.
Mega yacht tu apa yang besar?
Yang besar.
Yang tadi video kau tunjuk.
Yes.
That's mega yacht.
That's mega yacht.
Okay.
Yang perempuan duduk kat belakang tu.
Oh itu next episode. Korang dengar kau ingat perempuan kan? Kau dengar, aku tunggu lah. Tunggu next episode. Okay, so this satu kali event, how much is the cheapest that we can actually pay for this occasion lah?
Honestly, okay, so right now there's a lot of boat. Sekarang banyak boat. So which is the price is also depends. But then for my company is I would say that for 10 packs is already $2,000 for 5 hours.
5 hours?
Yeah, 2,000.
5 hours is the minimal lah.
Yes.
Okay.
Then if you have 40 packs, it will be cheaper lah because if 10 packs is 2,000, which means that each person is 200. So which is now is 40 packs, each person only 100.
Yeah.
So for 40 packs only $1,000 each lah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yang kira minimum is 5 hours.
Yes.
Paling panjang?
Up to you.
Oh really? 1 week pun boleh?
Can if you can spend.
Ada yang buat.
Ada ke?
Ada. So it's like breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything. So like we will plan. So example, you is our client, right? We will ask you, okay, Nari Monday, what do you want to eat for breakfast and lunch and dinner. Then after that on Tuesday, we ask you what type of cuisine you want. Then after that on Wednesday, so we try to get a chef that can cook for you the whole throughout for 1 week. If not, right, if you have a special one, right, then we have to reach all the chef.
Pernah tak macam dah, alamak kita dah miss out 1 meal lah. Kau alamak macam mana GrabFood dah.
Tak ada.
Tak ada.
But hopefully one day.
Touch boleh hantar.
Oh tak tahu. Speedboat.
Ada so you will stop somewhere to get to macam top up your food lah.
Yes.
Oh,
So
okay.
usually kalau macam depends lah, kadang-kadang kita punya jet ski jadi kita punya GrabFood lah.
Tapi kalau 1 week kau kena be on the move aja lah.
Then
Where will you go like that kalau 1 week?
depends on the client.
Island hopping lah.
Client plan lah.
Client plan. So you say that I want, for example, from Singapore pergi ke maybe Phuket. So we plan the route lah.
Ui.
Yeah. So where we can so the captain will tell us, like, I will talk to the captain like, okay, so how, where is the place to anchor, what is the fun activities here and there. So we do our own research. Yeah. Then from there we tell the client if he's okay with this route. If not, then we usually just sail to there straight lah.
So far dalam 10 tahun ni kan, who is the biggest baller yang pernah spend the most, longest, paling pergi jauh? Siapa?
Don't mention my name.
I cannot mention. I cannot mention lah.
Okay, berapa dia spend tu? Berapa hari dia book tu boat?
1 week lah.
1 week.
Tapi dia kita kenal tak?
Tak.
Oh tak.
Not local. Not
Tak
local.
local lah.
Bukan kau lah.
Tak ada macam selebriti ke apa.
Celebrity ada datang juga, but then is
Selebriti Suria.
Suria.
Ada NDA lah?
Tak ada.
Tak ada NDA.
Tak ada.
So can just
So far Suria tak ada. The recent one also Benedict Go.
Oh, Benedico dia.
Benedict Go is the last one. The recent one that bump into.
Dia pakai colour pink.
Premier Game.
Colour pink. Saya boleh imagine juga. Kan? Dia tak pink tong. Okay.
Then siapa lagi? If the one that my boss called is Russell Peter, that is the biggest celebrity.
Russell Peter
stand up comedian.
How long dia ambil tu Russell Peter?
Sekejap 4 hours je.
4 hours saja.
so dia datang to perform, to give jokes.
No lah, he just come. He just invite him lah over, then just normal talk.
Normal talks lah.
Yeah, normal talks.
Wow, Russell Peter tau. Padahal dia tak buat joke lah. Bila berbual tak buat joke lah.
Ada juga sikit-sikit.
Selit juga.
Like a simple joke lah he make lah. Not really like a stand up thing. But yeah lah, I mean, I really hope to see Kumar or whoever yang the stand up comedian to come on board and try to do, because right now in terms of a private event, like a private space, I want to make it into an event space. So which is we can do stand up comedian on board.
That'll be fun.
And everyone can experience thing and stand
Good
up comedian
idea.
together.
F1 driver ada?
F1 driver
Verstappen
Verstappen.
Tu Indian je.
Bukanlah. McLaren lah. Apa Verstappen lah nama dia. Verstappen ke apa lah.
Yalah, kau pronounce tu Indian F1 driver.
Oh yelah, aku lihat India. Tak ada F1 driver. Tak ada
So far tak ada. Maybe they are too rich, they have their own boat.
Maybe lah saya. And okay, aku nak tarik balik apa?
Sorry. The one that never came to my boat, but came to my boat yang jiran sebelah. Alhamdulillah dapat jumpa David Beckham.
Ui.
Tapi tak ada jersey. So apa-apa kasih my uniform and sign for me please.
Uniform.
So kira kan your another company lah.
Another boat sebelah me lah. That one is belong to MBS lah.
Tapi member lah, jadi kau dapat pergi lah. I mean the crew.
Tak, dia kan dia just dia sail out tapi dia came back. So when because I was at the boatnya area kan. So when dia tengah disembark, dia tengah nak keluar nampak dia dengan Victoria. Like wah lawa apa orang.
Kau pernah tak kasih serap sikit. Kau tengah naik boat malam-malam. Okay, lepas tu ini teaser belum seram lagi. Kasih teaser. Kau tengah naik boat malam-malam. Sekali ada boat sebelah passerby boat. Dalam banyak orang-orang India tengah nyanyi lagu Hindustan, happy-happy, ada tak? Pernah tak? Kalau ada tu dia. Kau ingat tak? Aku tak nampak
Aku kat Dubai aku buat kerja gini.
Oh tu Dubai
Dubai,
Aku
bukan kat
kat
sini.
Singapore.
Tak, itu Dubai.
Okay, aku nak sebelum kita
Dah boleh?
sebelum kita ni continue to our next episode, aku nak tarik balik tempat yang di the wildest punya yang kau cakap tu, yang straight punya. Adik able to buat kerja mana je diorang nak. Senang cakap boleh main kat mana-mana je.
Ya lah, diorang quite, sometimes aku pun tak faham sih. Kadang diorang kat laut pun boleh main sih.
It's a thrill thing lah for them lah. But aku nak tanya balik, PCG tak tangkap ke?
PCG tak nampak, tak tahu.
Eh.
Unless kalau orang complain baru lah.
Ya.
It's usually
So that
lah.
means the waters tak ada so called banyak CCTV lah.
I mean in the boat
Yeah.
kita ada lah.
Ah.
Tapi bukan dalam bilik, bukan dalam toilet. So which is like maybe in kita usually so for the boat ada kamera to put like macam kereta lah. So macam kalau orang terlanggar kita punya boat ke apa, so we can claim from insurance. So macam kalau orang nak terlalu open main kat luar ke apa-apa ke, is dorang
Boleh lah.
not say boleh, actually by right cannot lah. So just orang jangan complain lah.
Just senang cakap, do whatever you want, don't get caught lah.
Yes.
Kalau PCG nampak dia PCG.
Okay, kita akan sambung kepada episod yang akan datang.
Ya.
Yang kita dah kasih a bit teaser lagu.
Tadi pun kau cakap yang ada perempuan.
Perempuan. Diorang pun dah tak sabar kan nak
sabar.
dengar perempuan apa ni.
Lagi-lagi blood
Is
cow
it
aku
so
rasa.
rajin? Touch pun dengar mungkin dah goyang tau. Alright,
Tak
jadi
goyang bila yang ping tong tu.
Ayalah, mestilah. Jadi jangan ke mana-mana.
Yes.
Dan juga kepada Kai, jangan ke mana-mana. Kita akan ikat ni Kai. Kita akan sambungkan dengan banyak lebih-lebih cerita yang menarik hati di episod yang akan datang. Jadi hingga kita bertemu lagi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.